In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm on the left. Then, to create a new one, use this plus at the bottom right corner and set up an hour. Hit OK to save it, and as you can see, my new alarm was successfully added. Now you can adjust it however you want to. At the top, you can name it and hit OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Click on this icon next to pause alarm to exclude some dates, and OK to save them. Then remove button to get rid of them. Now tap on this bell icon and decide if you wish to download Spotify or YouTube Music. If you do, click on the chosen one and log in to use music from it. You can also hit sounds, tap on add new and tap on any song on your tablet. If you don't want to do that, you can always pick one of those sounds. Now to add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine, use this icon next to it. And to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To switch off or on your alarm, use this switcher. And to delete it, click at the top right corner and bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!